I'm Mike, and today I want to put a new handle on my H&R 649-22 revolver. So this revolver here is the well, here's my handle. It's broke off, and anyways, I was a young guy when I broke this, and the first time I tried to glue it back together and it didn't work. So recently it's just come off. Found a new handle. This one I got off of eBay, I think for like 15 bucks. So anyways, I want to show you today how to put the new handle on, which really isn't that hard. I go ahead and make sure I'm safe here, take my cylinder out. That way I don't have no bullets in, put that aside. And then we'll just unscrew now. This one here has got a screw on each side of the handle. Just simply screw it out, take that part off, that broken piece, turn it over, take this screw out, pull that off, put this one on. Oop. There is a wooden block in here. I guess you gotta take it out so it doesn't break again. So I'm hoping this one fits like new. Just making sure I get this flush right here. Feels like it's wanting to take, but any kind of gun parts, when you're messing with guns, you don't want to ever force nothing. If you're forcing it, then something's wrong. It's not lined up the correct way, or something's not working right. This one kind of actually is going in a little bit crooked. I don't want to do that. So I'm going to start the other side. See if I can adjust this. I'm just trying to make sure it's flush through here and even. Yep, started real easy, going in. We'll just snug it down, because you are going up against wood in there and you don't want to tighten it so tight that you crack the wood again and then be replacing the handle again. Kind of a snug fit. This is a snug fit. Yeah, I like the way it fits. Cylinder in. There it is. Thanks for watching my video.